Hello and welcome to Adells. Today we'll go through a calm manual pump session while relaxing on your couch. If you enjoy these peaceful routines, please like this video and subscribe for more gentle guides. Imagine yourself sinking into your favorite couch, surrounded by soft cushions. The room is quiet, with gentle light filling the space, creating a sense of comfort and calm. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a few seconds and exhale slowly, letting your body relax further into the cushions. Before starting, ensure your pump and a clean container are within reach. A small towel and a glass of water nearby will make the session even easier and more comfortable. Having everything ready allows you to stay fully present without interruptions. Adjust your position so your back is supported, your shoulders are relaxed, and your arms feel free to move naturally. If it feels good, pull your feet up slightly or rest them on a nearby ottoman. The goal is total comfort and ease. Pick up your pump and begin gently. Start with slow, steady movements, finding a rhythm that feels natural to you. Think of your breath as your guide. Inhale while preparing, exhale as you pump. This flow creates a calming, meditative pace. Focus on the comfort around you. Notice the soft texture of your blanket or cushions, the gentle sounds in your home, or even the light filtering through the window. These small details enhance the feeling of relaxation and help your body remain at ease. Thank you for spending this peaceful moment with me on Adells. If this tutorial helped you feel relaxed and comfortable, please like this video and subscribe for more gentle routines.